cinnamon whiteface pearl. This is another beautiful bird. Oh my goodness, this one's so pretty. And again, as you can see, they're not latching on. They're more playing with the. No, you gotta go now. Playing with the syringe. You try to control their head a little bit and get them to feed, but. Oh, birdie on the camera, get out. Not much enthusiasm for a feeding, but you want to play a bit. He's going to be coming out more later. I'm going there. Or guest spot. No, you. Yeah. You're